Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a BMW X3 xDrive20d M Sport finished in Phytonic Blue Metallic. It has 19-inch M Y-spoke alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from high UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. The wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has an electric boot lid for safe and easy access for when you may struggle to open or close it manually. Moving on to the interior, it has the black with contrasting grey stitching Vernasca leather upholstery and front heated sport seats, along with a heated steering wheel, both essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this X3 xDrive20d M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.